everyone, I'm Patty. Welcome to this video. On today's video, we are rounding off numbers to certain decimal places. The number after the one we want to round off will determine whether we round up or we round down. Let us round off our number 2.31437 to 2 decimal places. We have to first count the number of digits after the comma. We've got 1 and 2. Then we put a block there. This shows where our digits end. We've got our 1, 2 digits. So our answer must have these 2 digits after the comma. Now we look at this number immediately after our cutoff point. It's a 4. A 4 doesn't change the status of 1. So our answer remains as 2.31. Well, let's look at our next number. It's 0.77777. We have to round this one off to 3 decimal places. So let's count our decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So there ends our decimal places. And our block, our cutoff block, we place it there. So now let's look at this 7 after the block or after our cutoff point. 7, remember when we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we definitely have to round up this number before it. So 7 definitely will change this 7 to an 8. So our answer will be 0.778. And as you notice, the number of decimal places that we are to round off to will determine how our answer will look. So if it's to 3 decimal places, we must have 3 digits after the comma. If it's 2 decimal places, then we must have 2 digits after the comma. Okay, now let's round off this number to 4 decimal places. We do the same thing as we did before. Let's count the number of places after the comma. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is the digit that we must check whether we're rounding it up or down, and then we put our block there. Now we look at this 5. A 5, does it change this 8? Should we round it up or we round it down? Rounding it down means it remains the same. Well, definitely, because it's a 5 will cause our 8 to be rounded up. So our final answer will be 4.3769. Okay, let's round off 79.9999 to 3 decimal places. We count the decimal places after the comma. They are 1, 2, 3. So we are looking at that 9, and our cutoff point is there. We put our block there, and then we look at the 9. The 9 definitely will change that 9. So a 9 will change that 9 to a 10. So we put down the 0, we carry that 1. Then 1 plus that 9, it's another 10. We write down the 0, we carry that 1. And 9 plus this 1, it's a 10. We write down the 0, we carry a 1. But this comma, we don't forget it, we put it again. 9 plus that 1, it's a 10, we write down the 0 and then we carry that 1. So that 1 plus the 7 gives you an 8. So our answer is equal to 80.000 to 3 decimal places. Okay, let's round off this one now to 5 decimal places. Let's count the digits after the comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are looking at this one, and our block, we put it there, our cutoff point. So we look at this 8, and 8 will change our 9. Definitely it changes our 9 to a 10. So this 8 will change our 9 to a 10. So a 10 there, and then we carry that 1 up there. So this 3 plus that 1 will be a 4. So our answer will be equal to a 17.24740. So, or simply you look at this as a 39, which has changed to a 40. Or you can simply do like what I did. You simply make sure that the 9 becomes a 10. You put down the 0, then you carry that 1, then you add it to a 3, it changes to a 4. Then these other digits, you write them as they are. How many digits do we have after the comma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's round off our next number to 5 decimal places. So let's count our decimal places after the comma. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's this one that we're concentrating on, and let's put our block there. So this 5, will it change this 5? Will it round it up or will it round it down? Definitely it will round it up. So this will change to a 6. Then we put the rest. So our answer is 5.55556.